Colin. Nice job balancing the Bell-work equation. Now, yesterday we learned about the fire extinguisher.
Which class?
Eliza. We learned about the fire extinguisher, right? Fire extinguisher. And what do you call...
Silence, children.
Cody, what do you call a reaction that has an equal number of reactants? That is, there's no excess and no limiting. Heather? What do we call a reaction that has no excess or limiting reactants? You might know. A reaction that goes to, starts with C, completion. Yeah, if you typically want this because you don't want any waste. When you see excess here, guess what that's going to be? You don't know how much waste. If you have a lot of waste, guess what? The Oreo company's moving to Mexico. All right, so once we solve this problem on the homework, I'm going to come around and check the homework because it's a hobby.
It's a hobby. Apple.
There was something I was answering, and it was like this little...
And you probably going to need a calculator to do the rest. Yeah, you're going to take this times 0.5, this number times 0.5.
Don't finish that.
And then times 150. All right, very good. Now, if you notice the answer, right, it's close to 15. It could be a little bit more, could be a little bit less. That's how you know that it's probably correct. He got 12 grams of copper sulfide. So have we increased or decreased in mass? Yeah, we've decreased a little bit. You don't really know for sure until you do the problem. Just about 3 grams. And then from this you can do the stoichiometry, which is right here.
So one of these
there. One of them is wrong, yeah. 75%.
This is the one that's different from the rest of them?
I can't tell you that, but you're 75% right. 100% right. Right, so you add this up and you'll get the moles for CuCl. We have excess H2S. You're given 15 grams of CuCl. TT did a nice job balancing the equation. We still have a couple of juniors in ring ceremony. Yeah. Yep. All right, now that's going to be a little bit high. Keep in mind this times 2 is going to be 120. 60 times 2 is 120 because there's 2 of them. Also, 15 divided by 98 is going to be a fraction. 15 times 1 is 15 divided by 98. So the answer should be close to 15.
Okay, 12 points.
That is correct. Now you'll notice that, Brendan, you'll notice that she started with 15, so her answer is around 12 point. Did the mass increase or decrease?
I started with
No, it decreased from 15 to 12. So sometimes it'll increase, sometimes it'll decrease. You don't know, but it should be fairly close to your limiting reactant. It shouldn't be drastically different. It should be like 15 to 200. It should be close to the 15.
Stop cussing, bro. Yeah, you just hear that? He recorded too, so yeah. You heard that.
Am I doing that right so far? Okay, so that's 157.
Yeah, don't forget this right here.
You got no window.
That's right above you.
That's even better.
You have your copper and your
So
chlorine,
I think
right?
you subtract.
No, you add both those together.
Yeah,
63.
add. So 9, 8, 9. 98.9.
Good job. Comes from the balanced equation.
Okay.
So your number has to be defined by the
Okay.
conversion factor. So you have 1 mole of Cu2S is equal to grams
now we're multiplying?
CuS. Those grams come from the periodic table, the masses.
So now we're multiplying.
Okay, so,
Yeah.
but this is both 159.17. That's
Grams of Cu2S would be a mole, because the mole values come from the periodic table.
Okay.
Remember they use the electrons
This is equal to.
to count it?
And this is the same thing as this.
Yes.
Times 2.
Yes.
So this is going to be 127.
Plus 32 should be around 159.
159.17.
Yeah.
And I get 1 point for helping.
Excellent. Nice job. We have a lot of students on the 10th grade honors roll ceremony today. Sean made the list from another school, but they didn't transfer it.
I'm not sore.
Right. I think we need to protest. I think you need to make a sign, go down there and
Yeah, I
protest.
think I'm gonna make a sign. Hey,
I should be on that honor roll.
get my sign.
Very good. Excess, that's the problem with it. Like if you're at Dunkin' Donuts and there's those excess donuts, people want to eat them. So if you have your limiting reactant is 15 grams, the answer is going to be close to 15. If on the ACT it's like, let's say 18, 50, 75, and 200, the one closest to 15 is going to be the correct answer. It's not going to be this wild, outrageous number. Usually it has to be close to what you were limited by. Keep that in mind. Does anybody solve this for us? Alex? 15 times 198.9. It's going to be a decimal, yeah.
I could just put it in parentheses. Times 100.
That's the correct answer, 12.
That's 15 points.
And you're going to write grams of the Cu2S.